What if your mixer could actually match your style with just one button? With Pupgsis, you can instantly switch the RGB lighting to fit your stream. Soft lighting that's easy on your eyes, plus dynamic flowing effects or clean static modes, whatever fits your mood. Whether you're gaming, wading through loading screens, going live, or filming content, it keeps your setup looking fresh and I am immersive the whole time. It's not just a mixer, it's part of your vibe. So why stay basic when you can light up every moment your way?